Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro Direct app. We go to settings. Here in this list you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about FxPro Direct and you click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can go to Play Store. We'll search about FxPro Direct, and then here if you find updates you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us.